Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, 20th of January 2020. The first trading idea is an intraday trading idea. So before you can see my intraday trading workspace. This chart on top is a 60-minute chart of the euro dollar with fixed weekly profiles and monthly VWAP indicator. Then this chart uses a flexible volume profile and also daily VWAP. And this chart right there is 30-minute chart as well as in this chart, and it shows fixed volume profiles. Alright, so those charts are linked, they show the same trading instruments, only every chart shows it a little bit differently. So let me show you the trading idea which I would like to show you there. And this one is based on the selling activity which occurred on Friday on the euro dollar. Strong sellers pushing the price downwards, and within this selling activity there was nice volume cluster created in here. Now what this means is that sellers were pushing the price downwards and they were adding to their selling positions at the places where you see the volume clusters. Now the idea behind this level is that if the price hits this level again, the sellers who are pushing the price downwards and adding to their selling positions in here will be defending their selling positions, and they'll become active and they'll push the price downwards from this level again. Alright, so that's the idea behind this trend setup resistance level. Now as you can see, there was also significant volume cluster in here and it got tested today. This was the reaction, so this one is already tested. Currently there's this one, so hopefully the price will return and make a reaction to it. Alright, so that's the strong intraday resistance on the euro dollar. You can see the exact value of the level in here. It's at 1.1111. Alright, so that's for the euro. Let's now move forward and let's have a look at another trading idea, another intraday trading idea, and this one will be on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So this is the Swiss franc Japanese yen. All those charts show the same pair, and there are actually two intraday trading ideas. The first one is a strong resistance in here, exactly at 114.15, and the resistance is based on setup which I called a volume accumulation setup. If you look into this rotation area, you can see that the heaviest volumes were right there. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. Alright, those are the heaviest volumes within this rotation. Alright, this is where I printed the line. This is the 114.15 level, and it is a strong resistance because I think that sellers were building up their selling positions in here, and afterwards they pushed the price downwards from this area. So when the price hits this level again, it's pretty likely that those sellers will become aggressive again and they'll try and push the price downwards from this level again. Now if you look at the VWAP, there's nice confluence of the volumes and the VWAP. You can have a look at the weekly VWAP in here. And as you can see, the first deviation from the previous week ended in here. So there will be a line printed exactly at our level. Maybe if I zoom it a bit, you'll see it. Yeah, this is where it ended. And this is the dotted line, which means that the first deviation of the previous week's VWAP ended in here. Alright, so that's the first VWAP confluence to this level. And also, if you look in here at this VWAP, this is the first deviation of the daily VWAP on Friday. Alright, also almost exactly at the level. Right? So two nice VWAP confluences to this volume-based level. And let me now show you the second level, which I would like to show you. It is a strong support. You can see it in here. It's at 112.69, and it is based on volume accumulation setup 2. There was a rotation in which pretty heavy volumes got accumulated. You can see the volumes in here, and afterwards price shot upwards from this level. This means that buyers were building up their buying positions in here, and afterwards they started aggressive buying, pushing the price upwards. So when the price hits this level again, it's pretty likely that those buyers will become aggressive again, and they'll try and push the price upwards from this level again. Now, if I move the profile like this, you can also notice that there were pretty heavy volumes in here, especially in this rotation, and then the price tested those volumes right there. This was the reaction to the volumes. So this level is already spent, and this volume cluster is spent. Also, there were pretty heavy volumes created in here. This was the reaction. Also, in here, this was the reaction which came a little bit before the heavy volume cluster, but still those two levels are tested, they are spent. So the closest long, in my opinion, is this one at 112.69. By the way, if you look at the 60-minute chart in here, you can also see that there are pretty nice reactions to this level. In here and in here, you can see that it worked as a pretty strong resistance. And when the price went past the resistance then became a support. Alright, it's a pretty old price action setup. Now when the price hits this level, then this level should work as a support and the price should go upwards from it. Alright, so that's another confluence to this volume-based level. Now the last trading idea in this video will also be intraday trading idea. It will be on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So let's have a look at it. So this is the intraday workspace for the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And what I have in here is a strong resistance right there at 67.28. And this resistance is based on those heavy volumes which got created at this rejection of higher prices. As you can see, this is the place where the price went upwards, then turned and went downwards. This is the place, alright? This is the bigger picture. So this is the place where the price turned, and at the top there's nice volume cluster, and I think that the sellers who turned the price were massively adding to their selling positions in here and afterwards pushed the price downwards. So what I think is that when the price hits this level again, I think those sellers will become aggressive and they'll push the price downwards from this level again. Now, I know that this level is a little bit old. It's 1 week old, but I still think it's a pretty strong level. The markets have good memory, so I think that when the price hits it, there will be a reaction to it. Alright, now let me show you how the volumes look in this selling activity. Let me show you the reactions to the heaviest volume clusters in here, alright? So, first one was this one. This was the reaction to it. Then there was this volume cluster. It was created right there in this rotation, so I should use the profile like this. Those volumes tested right there. So those two volume areas are already spent, they are already tested, and the next one is this one. Alright? So that's about it, guys. That's about today's weekly trading ideas video. I hope you liked it. And if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you can visit my website, which is trader-dale.com. Here is the address. And if you would like to learn more or trade with me every day, you just click Dale's Forex course in here. And right there, you can get one of my trading packages. There is the learning pack, which is your best choice if you want to get in-depth video course, which will teach you how to trade with the volume profile. Then if you scroll down a bit, there is the trading pack, which is for those who would like to trade with me every day and get my trading levels every day and join my trading community and forum. And my recommended choice would be the Elite pack, which includes all from the previous packs along with all my indicators. This is the volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8, MetaTrader 4, and also the VWAP. And with this package, you'll just get all of it. Alright, so that's why I recommend getting this one. Alright, so anyways, that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy